In this tutorial, we will learn how to automate social tasks with the AudienzAI Chrome extension for LinkedIn. The first step is assigning social tasks in the Sales Hub. Here, a user can assign LinkedIn-related social tasks to their contacts or leads. Let's start with how to assign social tasks to contacts. Navigate to Discover and click on the contacts. Apply a filter to refine the results. For instance, we're applying the intent topic filter and clicking on the Apply Filters filter button. It will take a few seconds to load the results based on the applied filter. Once the results load, go to the contact, click on the Add button, and select the social task. Here we're applying the connection request. The social task has been successfully created. The second way is to assign social tasks to leads. Navigate to Leads, click on the Contacts tab, and select the Pure List. From here, you can add this contact to a social task. The social task has now been created. You can view the created social tasks in the Sales Hub by clicking on the notification icon. This will load all pending social tasks. The second step is accessing social tasks via the Chrome extension. To complete a social task, open LinkedIn in your browser after installing the AudienzAI Chrome extension. Locate the Chrome extension on the right and click on the Task Automation button. The red dot indicates that there is a pending task. You also have the option to filter your tasks. If you wish to filter, click on the funnel, select the task type, and click on the Apply button. To execute a specific task, hover over the task and click on the Start Task button. This will automatically open the prospect's LinkedIn profile in the background. Since the task is to send a connection request, AudienzAI has already generated a personalized connection request note. Copy this note and initiate the connection request by clicking on the Connect button. Add this personalized note by clicking on Add Note. Paste the personalized note and send the connection request. Once the connection request is successful, return to your task and mark it as complete. This indicates that the task has been completed. The task automator will automatically pull the next task. Repeat this process to complete your social tasks.